The error code F8E3 on a Whirlpool washer indicates a potential internal overflow from the water supply valve. This issue can be caused by several factors, including a plugged drain hose and/or pump, incorrect leveling of the appliance, or poor functioning of the water inlet valve, level sensor, and drain pump. To resolve this issue, it is recommended to clean the drain hose and pump by disconnecting the hose, clearing any blockages, and removing the drain pump filter to check for deposits that may be preventing proper drainage. The filter should be cleaned with mild soap and a brush, then rinsed thoroughly before being refitted. Additionally, ensuring the appliance is properly leveled by adjusting the leveling leg height and using a spirit level can help resolve the issue. If the problem persists, a hard restart may be necessary, which involves disconnecting the appliance from the power supply for a minute before reconnecting it. If none of these solutions work, it may be necessary to contact a repair service for further assistance.